Today I want to share a story with you of what we're doing for one specific seller that called us and said, you know what, Zaid, I have a house here in San Jose and I saw my neighbor sell for this price and I'm so surprised that they actually got that number. Oh my God, I think that's my make me move. However, he had that realtor stop over and brought an investor and tried to actually undersell it by a couple of $100,000. So he called me right away. I had met him in the past, a friend of a friend, and said, Zaid, things are looking good. I think I want to move, but I think my home is worth more. Can you come and help me? And I said, of course, let me stop by. So we stopped by and looked at the property and it looks good. It doesn't need a lot of work. So what I do for our sellers is I get in the property and try to maximize the equity, whether it's some of the things that we have to fix, like mildew, paint the walls, and then some of the nice things to do, like, hey, do we paint the entire house inside, outside? Do we change the flooring to laminates instead of carpets, and so on? So I gave him a plan of spending about $15,000 to $20,000 in the house to bring his equity up by $150,000. So if you're thinking about selling and you don't know where to start, allow me to put more dollars in your pocket by inviting me over so I can actually put a plan together for you to say, okay, I will bring the handyman over. We will do these 5 things. After that, I want you to declutter. We'll bring the stager to beautify the home so that way the first-time home buyer can fall in love with the property as soon as they walk in, and then actually market it in these channels and negotiate top dollars for you. As I've been doing this for 20 years and sold over 1,300 homes, I've seen it all. Allow my experience to guide you through this process so I can net you a higher price. Feel free to reach out. Let's put a game plan together. Even though if you're 3 to 6 months out, that's actually perfect because this will allow me to, or give me the time to prepare your home to go on the market and net you the highest price possible. Feel free to reach out, 408-515-1613. Bye-bye now.